We have a full review of the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe. Now I've had this for about 2 months now, and this is pretty awesome. It makes ice cream very, very easily in your own freezer. Reason why is because you make the mixture, you put it into their container, fill up to the top, and then basically it grinds it down. So this is like a new sorbet I'm making. You freeze it for 24 hours, it becomes solid. Then you put it in the machine, it basically grinds it down with these paddles. With this paddle, and it makes it into a very creamy mixture. So whether it's sorbet, ice cream and stuff, you could make a lot of different ice cream and different shakes and stuff like that. So what I'm really happy about is Rocky Road ice cream that I made myself. Macadamia vanilla ice cream with caramel and chocolate, as well as various sorbets of fresh fruit and frozen fruit. And it's very, very easy, very simple to make these frozen creamy treats. That's the pros of it. It's very fast, very easy. All you need to do, it takes a very little freezer space because all you do is freeze this one container of mixture until it's rock hard in 24 hours. And then you just put it in the machine and let it do its thing. Usually it takes about 2 or 3 minutes, or at most 4 minutes to make, sorbet. Ice cream takes like 2 minutes and stuff. It's really convenient, super fluffy, super creamy. It's great. Dishwasher safe, yes. So basically these all go into a dishwasher, or you can hand wash it. I usually just hand wash it, but dishwasher is fine as well. You're gonna want to, get more of the containers so you can make different type of batches. You could eat right out of the containers, and they even come with lids so you could remix it, later if you want to just keep on eating from this. But for me, I like making a lot of ice cream, so I have extra, so I could put in these other food containers. They're freezer safe. Cleaning wise, it's very simple. Hand wash these things. These are very easy to hand wash. And it also takes apart very easily. There's almost no mess. The only thing, it's all contained here and in the bucket. So here I never really had to clean at all. It's been very, very clean, very well designed, very innovative in terms of easy to make ice cream. And the only negative about the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe is that it's very loud. So when you turn this on, don't do this at night where you have roommates and stuff, or your family wants to sleep, because it's quite loud. It basically takes the blade and grinds down the ice to make this super creamy mixture and ice cream. So also after you make the ice cream, it's usually ready to eat right afterwards. It's super creamy. It's perfect for eating immediately afterwards. If you need to, you can put it in these containers and freeze it a little longer, or put it back in that container and freeze it a little longer to make it a little bit harder, but you don't have to. It's super creamy. In fact, it's always at this state after all the air gets ground into it. So it's pretty cool. Anyways, that's the full review. Like I said, it's well worth it if you love ice cream, you want to make your own custom ice cream, or healthier ice cream, or dairy-free ice cream. Like I said, this is made of macadamia nut milk. This is actually made of macadamia nut milk too. So you can make it as decadent as you want, or as custom as you want, whatever type of chocolate, dark chocolate, Oreos, whatever you want to put in this, or fresh fruit. You could totally make your own ice cream and sorbet with the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe. Very, very versatile, very, very useful. If you're an ice cream lover, this is perfect for you. If it's a gift for someone who loves ice cream, and they love to cook and make it their own custom ice cream, perfect gift. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.